Question number third of exercise 13.6 surface areas and volumes. A soft drink is available in two packs. First, a tin can with a rectangular base of length 5 cm and width is 4 cm, having a height of 15 cm. And second pack is there a plastic cylinder with a circular base of diameter 7 cm and height 10 cm, which which container has greater capacity and by how much. You will see here first can is in this type shape. There is a this type shape, rectangular shape. Its base is a length 5, breadth 4 and height of 15 cm. And second can pack have this type plastic pack, cylindrical type. Its base diameter is given as 7 cm diameter and height is given as 10 cm. First we will find out we want to find out capacity of both. So after it we will tell which capacity is greater. So volume we will find out, both cans volume we will find out. First rectangular base, जब rectangular base है तो उसकी height given है तो this type shape is there. तो now you will see a length of rectangular tin is equal to length is there 5 cm. Breadth is also we have here breadth of rectangular tin that is given as 4 cm. Height of rectangular tin that is 15 cm. We want to find out volume of this tin. Volume of rectangular tin, length into breadth into height. Because अपने पास जब भी कभी भी किसी का वॉल्यूम फाइंड आउट करना हो तो दिस इज द एरिया ऑफ द बेस इनटू हाइट. एरिया क्या होगा, बेस क्या कैसा है इसका, रेक्टेंगुलर टाइप है. रेक्टेंगल का बेस क्या होता है, लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ इंटू हाइट. तो ये जगह 5 इंटू 4 इंटू 15, 20 इंटू 15, 300 cubic centimeter. This is the volume of the rectangular tin. Second is there. This is first. Second is there. Base diameter of the base. Diameter of base of plastic cylindrical tin. सिलेंडर बोल देंगे, सिलेंड्रिकल या सिलेंडर लिख दीजिए. दैट इज डायमीटर इज गिवन अस 7 cm. तो व्हाट इज द रेडियस? सो रेडियस ऑफ प्लास्टिक सिलेंड्रिकल पैक लिख दीजिए. दैट इज 7/2. आर की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी, 7/2 cm. एंड हाइट of plastic cylindrical pack, that is H, is given as 10 cm. So volume of plastic cylinder pi r square h. We will put values 22.7. R कितना है यहाँ, 7/2 into 7/2 comes 2 times because power 2 is there of R. into h is there 10. We can cut here 7 से 7 कट हो गया. 2 1 जा 2 11. 2 1 जा 2 5. Now we will take multiply of 11, 7 and 5. That is equal to 385 cubic centimeter. So this type, first we will find out capacity of both, and we can say here, hence plastic cylinder has, so we can say plastic cylinder capacity of plastic cylinder is greater than rectangular tin कितनी ज़्यादा उससे 380 minus 300 is equal to 85 cubic centimeter. 85 is greater than.